Class, how are you all? Hope you all must be fine. Now today I will be taking your sixth chapter, that is Sports Around Us, Indigenous Sports of India. Children, what do you mean by indigenous sports of India? Indigenous means living or growing in a place where they are from the original place. And indigenous sports means sports that are recreational activities that originated from a particular cultural group or community or people. That is, the sports belongs to our nation, India. It is called indigenous sports. India has always been sports loving nation. Popular international sports such as badminton, chess and snooker are believed to have originated in India. Here are some of the popular indigenous sports of India. Now they'll tell you what are the indigenous sports of India which originated in India itself. First, the snake boat race of Kerala. Now, Kerala is famous for its grand traditional boat race. These snakes boat race, or it is called Chundan Valam. Chundan Valam are up to 100 feet long and they race in rhythm to old boat songs sung with Gustugu. One of the important races is Aranmulla, Uttrithathi, Vallamkali or Aranmulla boat race. Now see, this is the boat race. They used to have like this. Now we come to second, that is Yubi Lapki, that is Manipuri rugby. In Manipuri, Yubi means coconut and Lapki means snatching. In this, each team has 7 players. The field is about 45 into 18 meters in area, one side of which forms a central portion of goal line. The coconut is used as a ball and is offered to the king or the judges who sit just beyond the goal line. Understood? It is a game of coconut snatching. Now comes the third, that is Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is one of the oldest forms of outdoor sports in India. A team consists of 12 members, but 9 players play a match. The game is played in 2 innings. An inning has chasing and defending turns for 7 minutes each. It traces its origin in Maharashtra. To be a good Kho-Kho player, one must be physically fit and should strengthen and stamina. Kho-Kho was included as a demonstration sport at the 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. It is considered as one of the Olympic Games. Now comes the fourth one, that is Karali Pettu. Karali Pettu. In this is type of game. See, in this sport is one of the best known forms of ancient martial arts from Kerala. This style of fighting originated in southern India around 12th century BC. The 3 main styles of modern Karalipettu are the northern style, the southern style and the central style. The northern style emphasizes training with weapons as well as massage and Ayurvedic techniques. The southern style focuses more on empty hand technique which can be used to defend against armed or unarmed attacks. The central style draws from both the previous styles. It has some unique technique of its own, such as various good ground fighting methods that are useful while tackling opponents of larger stature. Now in this Karalipettu, in this sports, it is like a martial arts of Kerala. They are originated in South India in the 12th century, and the mainstream in modern, that is northern style. There are two types, northern style and southern style. In northern style, they emphasize training with weapons, and in southern style, they play with their empty hands. Now then comes the fifth one, that is Kabaddi. You must be all aware of the Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a competitive sport. Each team has 7 players. It is played for approximately 40 minutes with a 5-minute break. Modern day Kabaddi is the amalgamation of the 3 olden style. What do you mean by amalgamation? Combination of 3 olden style, that is Amar, Sanjeevani and Gamini. That is Pro Kabaddi League has increased the popularity of the sport in India. Then comes the Insuknar, that is stick fighting. Insuknar is a popular game in the state of Mizoram. It has been declared as Mizo National Game. In this game, the game is played by 2 players with a stick or a rod. The person who drives the opponent out of the circle that is using the rod wins the game. Then comes the Thoda. Thoda is an excellent form of martial arts from the state of Himachal Pradesh. The origin of this sport dates back to Mahabharata. It requires its players to have extraordinary archery skills. The game inspired from the epic battles between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Then comes the Mallakhambh. Mallakhambh was declared as the state sports of Madhya Pradesh in 2013. It is a traditional Indian sport in which athletes perform various postures on a wooden pole or rope. Now there are 3 types of Mallakhambh: pole Mallakhambh, hanging Mallakhambh and rope Mallakhambh. Pole, a vertical modern pole of teak wood or shisham, is fixed in the ground. The pole is coated with castor oil that helps to lessen the friction as the body comes in contact with the pole. Then comes the hanging. The wooden pole, little shorter in length than the standard pole, is hung with the help of the hooks and the chain. It leads to a gap between the ground and the lower part of Mallakhambh. Then comes the rope Mallakhambh. Earlier it was performed on cane, but nowadays cotton rope is used. Performers perform different exercises without knotting the rope. Understood? Now, indigenous sports comes from all over India. See, Kerala, the snake boat race, Manipuri, Yuppi Lapki. Then comes the Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is placed, its origin is Maharashtra. Then comes the Karalipettu, it is from Kerala. And Kabaddi, it has come from combination of all places. Then Insuknar is played come from Mizoram. Then Thoda, it's come from Himachal Pradesh. Mallakhambh, it's from Madhya Pradesh. Have you understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.